Winter Performing Arts Festival is a new all-volunteer festival that centers the student performing arts community at Stanford. The students and groups featured at the festival lead a 1-hour workshop of their own design. The festival is an opportunity for performing artists of all forms, dance, music, theater, poetry, to teach, perform, and learn. The festival culminates in the all groups performance, which showcases pieces related to the workshops led by festival leaders. We want Stanford to be a place where everyone knows their talents are seen, supported, and centered. We want it to be another place where artists can call home, especially students. This is their school, and their talent, their community, is ubiquitous at Stanford. And that is worth celebrating.